over $3 trillion in assets are here to map out the future of capital markets, digital money, and AI. Now, we are bringing you a 1 hour special straight from the summit floor, and we will preview the massive regulatory shifts up ahead and also bring you the latest announcements from the event. SEC Chair Paul Atkins is speaking this morning. And for a quick look at the market, stock futures are lower this morning by about half a percentage point, while oil futures are soaring. And this does come a day after the relief rally on Wall Street. Now, the prospect of a break in hostilities in the Middle East sent stocks rallying on Monday and oil prices tumbling, but strikes in the region do continue. And all eyes are on any details of a potential in-person meeting between U.S. and Iranian officials later this week. And taking a quick look at oil futures this morning, they are higher by at least 3%. WTI is spiking above $91, while Brent is hovering right around the $103 a barrel level. Now, the average for a gallon of regular gasoline at the pump in the U.S. stands at $3.97 a gallon. Meanwhile, the SEC sending two major regulatory proposals to the White House looking to ease the rules for both the crypto industry as well as Wall Street. Chairman Paul Atkins sent two proposals for review. The first creates a new token taxonomy that stops treating most digital assets as securities. The plan would exempt digital commodities, collectibles, and stablecoins, and the second proposal rolls back strict disclosure requirements for hedge funds and PE firms. Meanwhile, on Capitol Hill, lawmakers have reportedly struck a deal on stablecoin rules, and that agreement could help advance the Clarity Act, though Senate leadership warns other legislative priorities could delay a final vote. And for a quick look at U.S. economic data this morning, the ADP weekly change report showing an average of 10,000 jobs added for the 4 weeks ended March 7th. That is just above the 9,000 previous average. Meanwhile, fourth quarter non-farm productivity from last year revised lower to 1.8%, while unit labor costs climbed 4.4%, well above the decline we saw in Q3 of 2025. Now, ahead of the market open on Wall Street, we are looking at stock futures pulling back, the Dow down by 0.5%, while Nasdaq futures are also down by about 0.5%. We are also looking at the S&P 500 down close to 0.5 percentage point. As for bonds, we are looking at the U.S. 10-year yield hovering right around the 4.39% level, and we are also monitoring crypto prices this morning. Crypto majors are little change on the session. Bitcoin nearly flat, hovering right around 71,000, while ETH is higher and around 2160. Meanwhile, looking at precious metals, gold is falling by about 0.5% and right below 4,400. For more headlines, let's go across town to the New York Stock Exchange,